How to download and install Knives Out game on your Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. Whether you are using a smartphone or tablets, you can easily download and install the Knives Out game and start playing right from your Google Play Store. So first of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and launch open Play Store application. Now go to the search bar and type in Knives Out in the search box. From the search result that appears on the screen, look for this application from NetEase Games and tap on Install. Wait for the Knives Out application to download and install on your device, which will take a couple of minutes depending upon your internet speed. Now all you need to do is to wait for the game to download. It might take a while since it is a heavy game. Once the download is complete, you can tap on the play button to start playing the game on your tablets or your smartphone. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.